How to cancel hotel on Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can cancel hotel on Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel hotels on Expedia, maybe you've booked a hotel room and now you want to cancel it. It is very simple to do so. For that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Expedia application from your phone. Once you launch the Expedia app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can choose to book stays, flights, packages, or cars, or whatever else you can prefer. If you booked a specific place and now you want to cancel it, it is very simple to cancel, because all you have to do is just tap the trips option that you can find over here. Once you come to the trips option, you'll be able to see all of the trips, including the flights, the stays, as well as the reservations and the hotels that you've booked. Just select the one that you would like to go ahead and cancel it, tap the cancel option. In case it is not cancelable, you might want to contact the customer support by just tapping the chat icon right at the bottom of the screen. Then it will connect you with a virtual agent, and then you can let them know that you want to cancel your booking. This way you can go ahead and then cancel hotel on Expedia. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.